This is Calvin from Hill Country Building Renovation, HCBR, Texas. Today, we are in Canyon Lake, and we're pouring some concrete today with of course, a big boom pump. And we got 2 trucks backed up to the hopper, loading it up. So this is a steel building, and it is 40 feet wide and 100 feet long. And then we have a porch out here that's 15 feet by 50 feet. And things are going really well today. It's a nice day. It's not raining. It's not too cold. It is December, but things are going well. So I am going to loop back a little later. I got to go to another job when they start finishing things out. So this is my concrete pour video for today. You can see our other project highlights, photos and video, and all kinds of information on our website, which is www.hcbrtexas.com. And what's your next awesome project, and how can we help you out with that?